1 entry burn startup. Stage 1 FTS is saved.
So with that, first stage has ignited 3 of its Merlin 1D engines to slow down for atmospheric reentry. This burned pretty quick, just about 20 seconds long.
Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
Both stages are following nominal trajectories.
Stage 2 FTS is saved.
So next major milestone here will be the landing burn start for the first stage. The sequence there will be landing burn start.
Stage 1 transonic.
So with that call out, the first stage is traveling near the speed of sound as it's transitioning through the Earth's atmosphere. Its landing burn to start in about 20 seconds, followed shortly after by landing leg deploy, and around that same time we'll hear a call out for second engine cutoff on the second stage.
Stage 1 landing burn.
So the first stage has lit 1 engine to prepare for landing on our drone ship, named A Shortfall of Gravitas on the right-hand side of your screen.
Landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And back shutdown.